Hey guys, Ron here with Site Survey Pros. I wanted to make this quick video just to explain the seniority and the bump off method and how this is going to work. So like I mentioned, there's only going to be allowed 2 contractors per city. So for example, when you go to add your listing to our wireless site survey directory or network cabling directory, we have regions in here. So for example, let's say you're in Toronto, or let's say in New York. Let's say Toronto, for example. In Toronto, you select Toronto as your region. We're going to only allow 2 of the same niche contractor in that city. For example, if you're a network cabling company, there's only allowed 2 cabling companies in Toronto. And then there's only going to be allowed 2 wireless site survey companies in Toronto. And the bump off method is explained here. So as we add more and more free users, let's say we have 1 paying member that provides network cabling services in Toronto, and then we have 1 free method. Now, the free company, or the company with a free membership, and this is why it's important to get in early, that company has seniority and has the option first whether or not to be bumped off. Let's say we have 1 paying membership, 1 free, and there's a listing where someone wants to pay for that service to be listed on our website. Now, what we'll do with that free membership, we'll approach them, we'll ask them if they'd like to continue their membership to a paid membership, as we have someone that wants to join in the paid membership. Now that gives them the option to say yes, and then now that person that wants to pay cannot be listed. But let's say he declines and says, I don't want to be listed. Now we have 2 paying memberships in Toronto, and they have the seniority. No one else can be bumped off, and anyone that claims our listing for Toronto will be declined. So like I mentioned, we don't want to fill our network cabling and wireless site survey directory with thousands of users on it per city. We only want to limit it to 2 per city, just so it's fair as we do more SEO and optimization for network cabling and wireless site survey contractors and companies. This will benefit you guys as directory or membership listings, so they only see 2 companies. Because like I mentioned, we do get calls for wireless site survey companies and network cabling companies all over North America, primarily in the US. We are getting some calls for Mexico as we add more optimized pages. So anyways, that is just the explanation of the bump off method. Wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Didn't want to make it long, but that explains it. There's some more information here. And if you have any questions, just shoot us an email.